What's up, you guys? So today's YouTube video, I am going to show you guys how to remove brake dust, getting your wheels looking fresh and clean again. So here's before. As you can see, there's some brake dust buildup around the edges of the spokes here. So now I'm going to show you how to remove it for $1. Okay, so I went to the dollar store, Dollar Tree, and I bought some LA'S Totally Awesome Degreaser and decided that I'd just give it a shot on this caked on brake dust here. So you spray it on, kind of let it soak a little bit, and then I just took just your everyday toothbrush just to kind of agitate it in. And it does a pretty good job. So I scrub it in. Okay, grab a rag. Wipe it dry. Look at that, you guys. Nice and clean. From that to that. Pretty good. Pretty good if you ask me. Especially for a freaking $1. These other ones are removing a lot faster because I can let it soak a little longer. Do this whole rim. These are not the greatest looking wheels, but they'll do for now. Just being clean will be a lot better. This is the wife's car. Getting it looking a little better for her. Alrighty. Just give her a quick dry. there you have it. Nice and clean. Alrighty. That'll do it for today's video. Again, just go to your local Dollar Tree and buy some of that LA'S Totally Awesome Degreaser. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Yeah, there will be more on the Civic. There it is. Alright, thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.